Welcome to 402 Beech Branch Drive. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with laminate hardwood flooring throughout inside, and a large fenced backyard. The storage shed is located in the Foxboro subdivision in Irmo, convenient to I-26, great dining and shopping in the Harbison area, and a quick commute to Columbia, with easy access to Lexington and Lake Murray as well. So we're out in the front of the house. You can see there's a nice sized driveway here, 2 cars wide. You can fit several vehicles there. And you have a nice sized front yard here as well. So we'll go ahead and take a look inside the house. So once we come inside, notice the laminate hardwood flooring that goes throughout most of the home. You have a ceiling fan in the living room as you enter. Nice sort of open floor plan with the living room open to the dining area. You have a large window, large picture window looking out towards the front. So dining area here off the living room. Accesses are open to the kitchen as well. You do have a side door here off the dining area where you access the backyard. So out back you do have a patio, and there's a storage shed as well. Backyard is also fully fenced. And back inside you have a galley style kitchen. So you have white appliances, there's a dishwasher, side-by-side refrigerator, smooth top electric stove, and above the range microwave as well. The sink looks out, or it's under the window that looks out over the backyard. And then you have a laundry closet, laundry room off the kitchen here. So you have the dryer connections on this side, and then it's split where you have the washer connections on this side. You have a shelf above both of those. And then you do have 3 bedrooms in the home. But first we'll take a look at the closet here right off the beginning of the hallway, sort of a coat closet. It is a nice deep size as well, so you do have more storage space in there also. There's an attic pull down at the back of the hall here, as well as a linen closet between the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms. First we'll turn you right around here and go to our master off the left side of the end of the hall. Faces the backyard, has a ceiling fan, and actually all 3 bedrooms do have a ceiling fan. So you have a window there looking out, or 2 windows looking out towards the back. Walk-in closet as well. It's a good hanging and shelf space in there. You can have some built-in plugs, stuff in the wall there if you wanted to put a TV there. And then you also have the bathroom. You have a single vanity, large countertop. You have a combination tub and shower. A window in here as well. And then behind the door, you also do have a linen closet. And then last but not least, we have 2nd bathroom in the home, and then the other 2 bedrooms, which we'll show you. But you can see full size or full bathroom, the shower and tub, single vanity, and then you also have 2 bedrooms here. So on this side, have the large window in here as well, and then the closet's against the right wall. So this one has sort of one angled wall coming off the hallway, and then right next door to it, you have your 3rd and final bedroom. Ceiling fan in here as well, and you can see the closet in the corner there. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address is 402 Beech Branch Drive in the Irmo area. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.